Hi there. Today we're going to talk about ways to save money to buy a home. So there are three expenses that are the biggest expenses that most people have. That is housing, vehicle, transportation, and food. So first thing is housing. When I knew that we had been renting and we wanted to buy a house, one of the things that I did, because we were paying a ridiculous amount of money for rent, is I moved about 40 minutes farther outside of the city that we lived in so that I could save money. The rent there was half the cost. So moving outside of the current area that you're in, I know you might want to be close to a job or something like that, but if it makes sense, find a cheaper place to live. Rent a room from somebody if you're single and maybe you just want to, cut some expenses that way. Get a roommate yourself or rent a room on Airbnb or VRBO. Disclaimer, I am not responsible if you do that and anything crazy happens, but we've done Airbnb, VRBO for several years and have never had any issues. We've rented out a rental property and a room and bathroom in our home and have had no issues. It can make you anywhere from maybe $5,000 to $15,000 a year, if not more. So those are some options to save with housing. Vehicle, get rid of your car. If you have a car payment, get rid of it. If you can go to something smaller, something that gets you from point A to point B. You can sell your car on Carvana or to a dealership, find something cheaper. If it's cheaper monthly payment, something that you don't have to spend as much money per month or something that you could possibly net some money. A lot of people are selling cars on Carvana right now, so it's a good time to do that. Rent your car out on Turo, with websites like Turo. Yes, there's a liability, check with your insurance, but that is also an option, especially if you work from home. Why not? If you're not driving your car every day, rent it out. Let's see, another thing, places when you're going to run errands to save gas, plan your outings. Carpool, bike places. There's lots of things that you can do to save money there. So for food, meal prep. So look at grocery store ads, plan your meals based on what is on sale for that week. Also limit maybe how many times a month you're going out to eat. Maybe it's once a week or once a month. Do it as just a treat. Do you need the fancy coffee drinks out at the little cafe? Go without. It's okay to sacrifice some things. And also you can practice intermittent fasting. So those are three ways or three things that you can do to save on those three big expenses. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out and we'll chat soon. Take care.